Hi, my name is Liz Miller. I'm a robotics engineer and the founder of Learn Robotics. Before we dive into what Learn Robotics is, I wanted to share with you a post that I saw on LinkedIn a few weeks ago about the rise of automation jobs. It said that there are going to be 85 million new automation jobs by 2025. That means if there was ever a better time to change careers, now is the time, and robotics is the industry. And what's cool about robotics is that it is the intersection of emerging technology. You have to learn about electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, and computer science. And together, all of these create the field of robotics. And as we start to see more people interested in these automation jobs, there's going to become an increasing demand for automation training programs. The problem is that because robotics is such a complex subject, it's very difficult to teach. You need to figure out what hardware to buy, where to buy it from, how much of it you need. You need to learn about what curriculum you are going to want to teach and the projects that you want your students to have, as well as classroom limitations, whether or not you can meet in person or if your classroom has to be virtual. Plus, you need to assign a knowledgeable instructor, which is oftentimes difficult to find and usually costs more money. That's why we created the Powered by Learn Robotics program. It is a proprietary learning program that helps you structure, innovate, and advance your robotics classroom. We provide you with a suite of tools that help you manage and grow a robotics program. You don't need any background to get started, and users can learn from anywhere, making it a remote-friendly, hybrid, or in-person classroom solution. It is turnkey. We provide you with hardware as well as the curriculum, and it easily scales no matter if you have a classroom of 10 people or a classroom of thousands of people. It's a consistent program that provides you with what you need to help people gain technical skills in an organized way. So this is our roadmap. Right now we're focused on onboarding new partner organizations into the Powered by Learn Robotics program, but by this time next year, our goal is to have 25 new partner organizations and around 700 new students in the Powered by Learn Robotics program. We also sell direct to individuals, so if you're somebody that wants to start taking courses and get ahead of the curve, we're going to be onboarding students into individual courses as well, and by next year at this time, our goal is to have 150 new individual users working in our platform and gaining technical skills. We do have some competition out there, but ours is the only program that allows you to learn from anywhere, no matter if your class is remote or in person, or a mix of the two. We're also the only program that provides you with new hardware and up-to-date components every single year as long as you have an active membership. And finally, we are one-to-one, meaning every single student in your program gets to build the projects and create a technical portfolio. You don't have to worry about sharing parts or cross-contamination or any of that. Every student is given what they need and all the tools to be successful in an automation and hardware-based course. So over 10 years ago, I sat down at a computer and started to learn how to program my very first robot, and it completely changed the trajectory of my career. I went on to get a degree in robotics engineering from WPI, and then after that, I was able to travel around the country and work on industrial robots and mechatronic systems and manage multi-million-dollar manufacturing operations. And with all of that expertise, I've worked with some of the top educators in the country to develop standard-based curriculum to help any organization implement a highly technical robotics education program. So if you're interested in learning more about how the Powered by Learn Robotics program can be added to your school or to your organization, please reach out. And if you're an individual curious about how to start your own individual robotics journey, check out learnrobotics.org and sign up as an individual student. Thank you, and I look forward to building robots with you.